Today we are going to talk about the feeling of ladies or women. In the olden days, we always speaks about love, but nowadays, most of feeling of ladies are money. We cannot compare the olden days to today. So, if you sit down and then continue to say love is everything, my dear, you are lying. Because nowadays, lady, the only feeling they will get for you is money. Apart from that, you don't have any feeling for any man. Just a few of them. And research shows that if you take 10 out of ladies, now 2.5 have genuine love to people who don't have money. 7.5 like money before showing their love to you. Senior counselor, once again, you can call senior counselor on +233 54 38 70 990. We are still making emphasis of money. And as a man, the first thing you need to focus in life before going for a lady is money. Because you cannot sit down and say, oh, let me get a genuine love before money. Money brings genuine love. Sometimes some of them are not even genuine. Some are even cook love. But so far as you have money, you'll be meeting all those people all the time. So money is now everything. We have lost our conscience. We have lost our cognitive. We have lost our dignity in place of money. So my dear brother, sit down and then think the way you can acquire money so that you can get love, whether genuine or no genuine. That is where you can sit down and then make a good choice of man. See you another time. Senior counselor, you can call me +233 54 38 70 990. Bye bye.